Want to know how I created this? Then keep watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Be productive with me. Go to Elements and search for Rectangle Frame. Select the first one. Adjust the size, place it in the middle. Copy and paste the frame, make it smaller in size. Now copy the same frame and paste it on the other side. Now one by one add all your images to the frame. Again, go to Elements, then take a square shape. Now spread it across the image. Scroll and go to Layers. Hold the shape and drag it to the end. Change the color of the shape. Add some more elements that will go with your image. Now animate the elements. I'm using the rotating animation. Now click on the page. Scroll right and then copy the page. Now exchange the position of images. Change the color of the shape. Again, select the page and copy it. Follow the same steps as the previous ones. Click on the plus sign. Add the transition match and move. Fix the duration to 2.5 seconds. Select the first page, go to Layer. Make sure the middle image is at the top of the other image. And the right image is at the end behind the shape. Repeat the same process for the other two pages as well. Now your video is ready.